Yeah, like that.
Hey Pat, what's up?
Oh, hey, not much, Ty. Just on Facebook, chatting with friends, and gonna be going out with my friends Steven and Nicole soon.
Are you sure? Because it's about to snow really bad soon.
Are you sure?
Yeah, check weather.com. It says.
Alright, man, I'm just telling you, this morning I was told it was supposed to be a sunny day. Oh my god, Ty. It's supposed to be the worst snowstorm of all. Do you know what they're gonna call it?
What?
My god. Snowstorm Nemo?
Oh no.
I knew this day would come.
What are we gonna do?
Only thing we can do.
What?
We're gonna have to get lots of gallons of milk in order we can survive.
Alright, hon, it's getting bad out there. I'm gonna have to go out and get... Oh my god!
Don't worry, Dad. I know about the snowstorm. We need provisions. Don't worry, I got this.
Where are you going?
I'm going to Dollar Tree, you know, the one by Walmart, and I'm gonna get us some milk. Okay, don't worry.
Wait, milk?
I have this.
Wait, hold.
I will prevail. Yeah, I meant to do that.
Are you sure he wasn't adopted?
What?
One.
Wait! What?
Two.
Wait, Pat! You don't understand! Pat!
Nine.
But, Pat! Why does he keep going and then coming back with one?
14.
Wow, Pat, you're risking your life just to get us milk?
Yeah, it's pretty heroic, right?
No, loser.
But
Get a life, you pansy!
Where is he going with that milk?
32.
Pat, you don't understand.
Yes, I do understand. This family needs substance, and if there's one person that's gonna give it to him, it's gonna be me. Don't worry, Tyler. I'll save us. Onward!
If he's not adopted, then I am.
Yeah, I like that.
I did.
Where have you been?
I had to assault a lot of senior citizens.
Pat.
I had to steal from a lot of charity homes. And I punched
Pat.
this one 5-year-old in the face. But I finally got 47 gallons of milk.
But, Pat.
No, it's okay. You don't have to thank me.
Pat.
It's all in a day's work. But
You don't understand.
if you really want to
Pat.
thank me, I'll take my allowance.
Pat!
What? What?
We're all lactose intolerant.
Ah, son of a...